Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Melina, and in today's video I'm going to what should I call this video? I guess transforming my room. Today is day one of transforming my room because it's gonna take a bit long to make. The first step is obviously cleaning my room. But yeah, I'll up to you guys later once I finish cleaning. I'm back guys, and I made a lot of progress. I do still need to like finish wiping my desk and like sweeping the floor, but I'm gonna do that tomorrow once like I move all my furniture and stuff. I'm not really sure where to start. So the updates, my mom came and helped me. So my main goal right now is to move my TV to be on this side, and then my desk is gonna be where my TV is right now. So it's gonna be right there, and like the mat will go right here, and then my chair will go right here. Here's the update with my room. So I made this cloud thing right here. That's how it looks. And if you're wondering how I made it, I just took a water bottle and I put some lights inside, and then I took some stuffing and some hot glue gun and I just like covered the bottle. But yeah, that's how I did it. And today I went to Five Below, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I also got this diffuser, and it looks like this from Five Below, and it just lights up. So then this is how it looks. Put in the oil right here. I got this stuff. They didn't have leaves, so this was like the closest thing I could get, and apparently it's 69 inches long. And also I got some incense sticks. My mom gave me this for them because like it leaves some things. Yeah. Hey guys, it's been a while. I'm not sure like when was the last time I filmed, but I think that was like 2 months ago because I had just ordered like the things from Amazon, and I never like gave a full haul of what I got because I wasn't really sure like if I was gonna even do this video anymore. I didn't film like any more progress I did on my room. If I can remember, I got this tapestry, I don't know how to say it, from Amazon. And then I also got like the skylight thingy. I didn't get like the skylight one because that's like $50 and I wasn't trying to pay that, so I got like a cheaper one for like $32. The vines, I got this little thing. It's like this. I have it right here. I'll show you guys. And it looks like a tree, and then like for the leaves it has crystals. And I think that's all I got. I'm not really sure. I'm so excited. I'm like finally happy with my room, and I love the way it turned out. I'm gonna shut up now, so yeah. Okay, also just letting you know, I didn't really like clean my room, so if it's messy, I'm sorry. But we're gonna start off with my mirror. I just have some vines that I got from Amazon. I'm not sure like the specific vines, but I got them on Amazon, and I'll try to like find them and link it down below. Right here I have my tapestry, which I also got from Amazon. And here I have like my TV. I have my skylight. This is how it looks, and then it's all messy right there, so don't mind it. This is also messy, but I have some like arts and crafts stuff in that corner. I have some more vines up there. These elephants, I just have them hanging on the Christmas lights over there. And then here's my window. I just have this as a curtain. More vines. This is my bed. Really messy. These paintings that I made. these two glass paintings that I made, some pictures, this thing that I also got from Amazon, this poster that I got from the movie theaters, this Minecraft flower that I attempted to make, this painting that my best friend made, position, vinyl, poster, and I don't know what you want to call this, but yeah, I made that. And it has a picture. My grade board, so it just has some pictures, a letter board, nothing much going on right here. Have some manga, picture of me and my mom, this teapot, hexagons that I got at Five Below that I don't use, this candle that I got from Marshall's, this and this I got from Five Below, but it doesn't really work. This crystal that I also got at Five Below, this pin that my aunt got me, this is from Mexico, and that I got from the 99. It's just like a pinwheel. Right here, nothing much. I just have my control for my skylight. I have my letters right here, and then over here I have this candle in the picture. That's basically it. And I have this lamp. I also have like a changing light bulb, which I'll show you how it looks at night. But yeah, that's basically it. This is my desk area. I have these bracelets, this bag, headset, because I'm a gamer, whatever. So then right here I have my balcony, some vines. I have the Mexico flag, these thing that I got for Christmas that I still have, this drawing that one of my best friends made for my birthday, and then we have like these cards that I made. So basically you cut the cards and you just tape it. So yeah, that's how I did this. And then right here I just have my positions album. It's like the cardboard thing that the vinyl came in. This cloud that I made, it lights up. And then I got these prints, but like I don't know how to hang them up. I'm gonna put them up here though. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell to be notified when I post a new video. Comment down below any video suggestions you have for me, and if you have any questions about my room or anything you want to ask, let me know. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. YouTuber things. Ow. I gotta go do my homework now.